Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is the Elementary Linear Algebra, Chapter 3. I am Carla Joyce Puno, and I am assigned to answer the number 25 on the Chapter 3, Exercises 3.1 about the determinants. Let's solve it. Chapter 3, Exercises 3.1, Number 25. This is our given. Instructions. Use expansion by cofactors to find the determinant of the matrix. We let A be the given matrix. We have a 3 by 3 matrix. We have x, y, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 0, negative 1, 1. This is our given matrix. And this is the sign pattern for cofactors for a 3 by 3 matrix. And for the format of a 3 by 3 matrix, we have this. And these are the rows and the columns of the matrix. Since we have a 3 by 3 matrix, we have row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, and column 3. To start the expansion by cofactors, we should choose any row or any column from the given matrix. But for this given, I choose to expand the third row since it has 0. For the third row, we have 0, negative 1, 1. And this is the formula that we are going to follow and use for the third row. We have a constant negative 1 raised to the row number plus the column number and times the determinant of the left elements of our matrix. We start on the A sub 3 1 or the column 1 row 3 which is the 0. Then we eliminate or cancel its aligned vertical and horizontal elements. We have 0, then cancel. And then, this is the formula for the A sub 3, 1. We substitute the given values. And now we have negative 1 raised to its row number which is 3 plus the column number which is 1. And then, times the determinant of the elements that are left on our matrix. We have a 2 by 2 matrix. We have y1, 3, 1. Then equals negative 1 raised to 3 plus 1. We have negative 1 raised to 4 times y times 1 minus 3 times 1. Negative 1 raised to 4 is positive 1 times y minus 3. And then we multiply, we have y minus 3. This is the cofactor for A sub 3, 1. And then we label it as C sub 3, 1. This is our first cofactor for the row 3. We have C sub 3, 1 equals y minus 3. Next, we proceed to the second element of the third row, which is the negative 1. We eliminate or cancel its aligned horizontal and vertical elements of negative 1. And then, we use the formula and then substitute the given values. We have negative 1 raised to the row number which is 3 plus the column number which is 2 times the determinant of the elements that are left in our given matrix. We have 2 by 2 matrix. We have x1, 2, 1 equals 3 plus 2 is 5. And now we have negative 1 raised to 5 times x times 1 minus 2 times 1. Negative 1 raised to 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 times x minus 2. And now we have negative quantity x minus 2, or we distribute the negative, we have negative x plus 2. Or we can change the position. We have 2 minus x. That is the cofactor for A sub 3, 2. We label it as C sub 3, 2. We have now the second cofactor of the row 3. We have C sub 3, 2 equals, we have 2 minus x. Next is the last element of the row 3, which is 1. Again, we eliminate or cancel its aligned horizontal and vertical elements. We now use the formula and then substitute the given values. We have negative 1 raised to 3 plus 3 times the determinant of the elements that are left in our matrix. We have 2 by 2 matrix. We now have x, y, 2, 3 equals negative 1 raised to 3 plus 3 is 6 times x times 3 minus 2 times y. Negative 1 raised to 6 is 1. And now we have 1 times 3x minus 2y equals 3x minus 2y. This is the cofactor for a sub 3, 3. We label it as c sub 3, 3. This is the last cofactor for the row 3. We have c sub 3, 3 equals 3x minus 2y. We completed the cofactors for the row 3. Now that we are finished expanding the cofactors of the row 3 of the matrix A, we have y minus 3, 2 minus x, and 3x minus 2y. To get the determinant, which is the number 25 is looking for, we use this formula according to the theorem 3.1, the expansion of cofactors. First, we multiply each element that we use in expansion. We have the row 3 times each cofactors that we got and then add all the products. We use this formula, then we substitute the given values. We have 0 times y minus 3 plus negative 1 times 2 minus x plus 1 times 3x minus 2y. 0 times y minus 3 is 0. Negative 1 times 2 minus x is negative 2 plus x. And 1 times 3x minus 2y is 3x minus 2y. Since we have 0, we can cancel that and then we proceed to the negative 2 plus x plus 3x minus 2y. And then combining like terms. And now we got 4x minus 2y minus 2. This is our final answer. This is the determinant of matrix A. Therefore, we found out that for the matrix for the number 25 using the expansion by cofactors to find the determinant of the matrix, the answer is 4x minus 2y minus 2. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Carla Puno from the BSED Math 2A.